Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share 5 best Mother's Day craft ideas which you can gift to your mom this Mother's Day. First I am making a chocolate bouquet. For this I have taken 10 chocolates and then I am going to stick them to the bamboo sticks using a cello tape. And then we can stick all the pieces together. Next I have taken a pattern paper and a net fabric. Stick as shown and wrap it around the chocolates. Finally, I am going to use a net fabric and a satin ribbon. And our chocolate bouquet is now ready for gifting. Next I am making a small gift box. For this I have taken a Dairy Milk Lickables box and then using a jute twine, wrap it all around the box. In the same way we have to wrap the jute twine on the lid as well. Then I have used some half beads which I am going to stick all around the box as shown, and then using a ball chain decorate it as shown. Here I have also used a decorative piece and glued it on top. And a small gift box is now ready. You can give this to your mom and she can keep her earrings, rings and other small items in it. Next I am making a cardboard tray. For this I have taken a cardboard box, glue the pieces as shown. Mark and cut as shown. Then I've used the self-adhesive wallpaper to decorate it. And a simple cardboard tray is also ready. Next I am making a bracelet. For this I have taken some colorful beads and an elastic wire. Now insert the beads as shown to make a pattern. And then we are going to attach a golden chain and a jump ring. And finally our bracelet is also ready for gifting. Finally I am making a rose bouquet using paper rose. For this I have taken red color paper. Fold the paper and cut as shown. We are going to make small flowers, and using those flowers I am going to make a rose. For the stem I have taken a bamboo stick, and then I am going to wrap a green color paper around it. Glue all the pieces as shown. Then make a leaf as shown. And finally our rose is also ready. Then take a bouquet sheet, roll as shown and add some thermocol balls inside. Next insert the rose. Take a ribbon and tie a bow. Now take a piece of paper and draw a small heart. Write Happy Mother's Day inside. Cut it out and glue this to the bouquet that we have made. And a beautiful paper rose bouquet for Mother's Day is also ready. So I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.